Hello, dear viewers. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Today, we're diving into one of the trendiest and most stylish haircuts of the year, the wolf cut. This edgy, layered hairstyle has taken the world by storm, combining the best of both the shag and the mullet to create a bold, voluminous look that suits almost everyone. Whether you have fine, thick, curly, or straight hair, there's a wolf cut variation that can elevate your style. In this video, we'll be showcasing different types of wolf cuts, explaining what makes them unique, and helping you find the perfect one for your next salon visit. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired. The wolf cut is a modern hairstyle that blends the textured, rebellious feel of a shag with the wild, carefree nature of a mullet. It's designed to add volume, movement, and personality to your hair while maintaining an effortlessly cool aesthetic. This cut is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific hair type and personal style. Whether you're looking for soft, subtle layers or a dramatic, edgy transformation, the wolf cut has something for everyone. One of the most popular versions of this hairstyle is the classic choppy wolf cut. This variation features layered, textured hair with soft waves that create a natural, tousled look. The choppy layers add movement and volume, framing the face beautifully. This style is perfect for those who want a low-maintenance yet stylish haircut that enhances their natural texture. If you have fine hair, the wolf cut can add much-needed dimension and body. For those with thicker locks, the layered structure helps to remove bulk while still maintaining a voluminous, airy feel. If you prefer a more polished look, the sleek wolf cut is a fantastic option. This version incorporates sharp, straight layers that add structure and sophistication. The ends are typically straightened to create a sleek finish, providing a striking contrast with the choppy layers at the crown. This cut is ideal for anyone who wants to embrace the bold, layered style of the wolf cut without sacrificing a refined, put-together appearance. It works exceptionally well for those with naturally straight or slightly wavy hair, giving them a modern, edgy vibe while still looking professional. For those who love soft, flowing hairstyles, the gentle layered wolf cut is an excellent choice. This style features delicate, airy layers that blend seamlessly for a more natural, textured effect. Side-swept bangs often accompany this variation, adding a touch of elegance while maintaining the signature wolf cut edge. This haircut is perfect for those who want to experiment with layers without committing to an ultra-dramatic look. The light, feathery movement of this cut makes it a great option for anyone looking for a fresh, contemporary hairstyle that exudes effortless charm. If you're all about making a bold statement, the dramatic angular wolf cut is the way to go. This version incorporates sharp, defined layers that create a striking and edgy aesthetic. The layers are strategically cut to enhance facial features, with a voluminous crown and tapered sides that add a high-fashion element to the look. The tousled texture gives it a rebellious, rockstar vibe, making it an excellent choice for those who love to stand out. Whether you're attending a special event or just want to switch up your everyday style, this version of the wolf cut will definitely turn heads. One of the greatest advantages of the wolf cut is its versatility. It suits different hair types, lengths, and face shapes, making it an incredibly inclusive and adaptable style. If you have curly hair, the layers can enhance your natural texture, adding more bounce and definition. For straight hair, the choppy structure creates an illusion of volume and movement. Additionally, the wolf cut can be customized with bangs. Whether you prefer curtain bangs, blunt bangs, or wispy layers, there's a way to tailor this haircut to suit your preferences. When styling a wolf cut, the possibilities are endless. If you want a more relaxed, lived-in look, you can use a texturizing spray or sea salt spray to enhance the natural waves and add volume. A quick tousle with your fingers or a diffuser can give you that effortless, messy finish that embodies the spirit of the wolf cut. For a sleeker appearance, you can straighten the layers with a flat iron while still maintaining the shape and structure of the cut. Adding volumizing mousse or lightweight styling products can also help achieve the perfect balance between movement and control. As we explore these different wolf cut variations, it's clear that this hairstyle is more than just a passing trend. It's a bold, expressive way to showcase your personality through your hair. Whether you want something subtle and chic or daring and dramatic, there's a wolf cut out there that's perfect for you. So if you've been thinking about switching up your look, why not give this trendy haircut a try? It's a fun, stylish, and confidence-boosting choice that works for just about anyone. And that wraps up our deep dive into the wolf cut. We hope this video has given you plenty of inspiration and ideas for your next hairstyle. Whether you're going for soft and subtle or bold and dramatic, the wolf cut is a fantastic way to express yourself and embrace a modern, stylish look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more beauty and fashion content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let us know in the comments which wolf cut variation is your favorite. Are you planning to try one soon? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.